Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video I showed you how to design a website, a simple restaurant website, but remember that we didn't have a logo, so I just quickly designed a logo and then place it over here. So those who followed along, you might be wondering, how is it possible to design a logo? I'm going to show you a website where you can easily design this logo at a very cheap cost. You don't have to pay anything, it's just free. Alright, let's start. So to design a logo, you can go to logo maker. So logo maker, and then you choose the first one, logo maker. Now when you click on this, everything is free. And so let's start my design. So I could just show you how I was able to just do this similar one. Okay, it would take very short time. Let's do this quickly. Alright, the page is downloading. Now to do this, create a new design. What you have to do is that you can see that I have an image here, right, before a text. So you can search for the image. So we want an image of a food, right? So image of food, you choose food, and then you have a plethora of options to choose from. I could go for that, right? So I have an image of a cutlery and then a bowl. So you could also add a text to it. This is the part for the text. So the text, and remember that the name for the restaurants was Untitled Food. So we just change the text here to Untitled Food. You could become more creative and create your own style. That's also accepted. So Untitled Food, and then we just drag this so that everything is in line. Okay, and then you make sure everything is in line, especially with the sizes. It's so simple. You don't have to use any expensive tool to design a logo for your website. Alright, now I like to change the color. So to change the color, we have the color grade here. Let's choose a white black. Yeah, so I'll choose a black background. And then the style, I would like to have a font style which is like what we have here. So I would choose something like this. Yeah, that's the script, right? That's the Kaoshan script. That looks nice. And then we drop it. Well, okay, so this looks like a nice logo which was done in less than 1 minute. So to use this logo, you just have to save here, and then it says that get high resolution license fees. We don't need this, we just want to download a free version. So download files, and that takes us to somewhere else. But over here, when you go to download files, this one is the paid version, but there is a low resolution part which costs nothing. It's free. So you click on the low resolution, and then you accept, and then you download. Now that is it. We have our logo beautifully done, and you can use this anywhere in your website. You can be creative, and then you choose other images. Maybe if you are doing, let's say, a pizza shop, you have a lot of pizza to choose from, or you are delivery man, so a delivery person could choose delivery service, and then search, and there are a lot of images, so you can just choose one image here. Now we can just do away with this, and then instead use an image here, and then just change the text to, let's say, rapido deliveries, rapido deliveries, and then you could resize it. This tool, it's so easy to use, so handy. Well, I don't know if this is a real company or not. That's what I just thought, and then that's it. You're done. And you can just save it in the usual way, low resolution, and download it. We are done. Rapido deliveries. So that is it. That's what I did here to design this logo. So you can go creative and then design your own logos. So this is what time will permit us. Thank you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe and also like, and then turn on the notification so that each time I upload a video, you can get it in time. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.